Before I did this, I was a technical manager for British Gas, and while celebrating being top in the country at what I was doing, got put up for redundancy. And although there was a job for me, I wanted to be a bit more in control of my destination, and that's the reason why it was a no-brainer to join this fantastic business. Every business evolves. Revive UK in the early days will train you. They'll get you to a very, very competent standard for you to go out and start doing repairs when you first join. That's not just what Revive offer. It could be anything from accounting, it can be media support, social media. I mean, there's, with the conference, you get to meet other people, learn different techniques, different styles, what's worked for other people in different areas, and bringing that all together is what makes a successful business. We set a target of £500,000 turnover when I joined in 2012, and that was our big goal. 5 years. If we do that, we're on the right track. 3 years in, we did 685,000, and that's when you know that the business is a success. I felt quite privileged, really, to be awarded for the British Franchise Awards. I mean, when you look at the companies out there that are franchised, and to be put up for the Customer Service Award, hopefully shows that we're doing things the way they should be done. What's even nicer is it's actually our second time of being up for it. In 2014 we also were nominated as well, and to only be of the last 3 standing in the country shows where we're going as a business. Customer service comes a second nature, I'd like to think, to us. We don't respond to a 48-hour window. We like to try and respond in day, next day. Realistically, if we can do it, we'll bend over backwards for our customers to do it. You have to make sure your customers are aware of what's going on, just so you can build that trust with them. I think that's one of the reasons that we got awarded, because we don't look at a customer, for instance, just being on the retail side of the business. We look at it from a trade side as well. So a dealership manager, they want their job to be as easy as possible, so we pitch inspect their site for them. We'll let them know if there's dent damage. They effectively could get all their work done in one place. We're a one-stop shop really for them, and we just try to make their life as easy as possible. And by doing weekly inspections, we can see how much work they've got, whether we need to put extra manpower in there to get it all done within a week. And it's all those little things that I think make a difference.